Hey guys, I have a super special treat for you guys today, so let's find out what is the special secret I'm going to share with you. Alright, right off the bat, I don't like to hold it in, so my special secret is you get 20% off right now if you run over to hookedonpickin.com. All you have to do is use the promo code TRAVEL. So type in the word travel at your checkout cart. You'll automatically get 20% off your entire order of everything on hookedonpickin.com. Now, what you don't know is we have just unboxed a whole bunch of brand new palettes, and the stores and our backroom shelves are totally chock full of brand new product that you may not even seen the video of if you missed a day. And so go over to hookedonpickin.com, use the promo code TRAVEL to get 20% off. Now, this is Friday, and so we are currently not doing an auction, as you can tell from this video. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of the few things that we're going to put on the online auction and maybe do on the live auction, but we are not doing a live auction today because we're currently traveling, which is why the promo code TRAVEL. And so we're going to show you a few things, and then just to let you know, we currently do have things on the online auction store right now as we speak. But the bonus is it's not going to finish until right before next week's auction. So you have tons of time to peruse, but you can run over there and check that stuff out too. And so all of that will finish next week. You'll be able to see the timestamp and the countdown on the timer for that as well. So let's go ahead and look at one of the few things that Paul's dad has brought us for some auction finds. This is just a small little snippet. And so we've got some fun cookie cutters here. Cookie cutter set, 18-piece metal. And then we have, of course, we love our tins full of mystery items. This is a tin of buttons.
I love buttons.
Is there anything in there? We're not going to look too hard. We sell it as it. I thought I saw a ring. Maybe
cool.
not.
It sounds like a ring, but
yeah.
It's the metal on
anyway,
metal, maybe.
Yeah, metal buttons. All right, it looks like we have another tin here. Let's go ahead and open this one here. Oh!
Oh, cool.
Ready? I'm ready for Christmas. Jingle bells, jingle bells. There you go. All right, and we got a bunch of small little ornaments in here.
Oh, that's kind of clever.
Yeah, if you have a small tree, that'd be perfect. Or hang them. I've seen people hang them like along their curtains, stuff like that. You can put them just about anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
That's a fun little tin. This one we'll call the tin of fun. All right, then we have another tin here. Oh, if I can get it. Oh, it's taped. No wonder.
Yeah, there's a knife on the side there if you need it.
There we go. More buttons. Ooh,
buttons.
Look at those ones. There's a whole strand of them. Those feel a little different. So more buttons. Look at that big one.
I always like looking at the metal ones. Sometimes you can find military buttons in there.
Like this one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it has a little gem.
Anything that has an emblem to it, I kind of like to try to look at that.
Yeah. Don't see any right off the bat.
Because you can go on eBay and sometimes one button will be $20+,
yeah.
You know?
All right. We've gone through a lot of tins. What else we got here? What is this?
It's like a roll of pennies. Are they wheat pennies?
I don't see wheat pennies. I'm trying to see the year. It's hard to tell. Oh, yeah. So it's a roll of pennies. Then we've got random coinage. What are these? Here, let me set them on the table here.
Okay.
So there's that.
I'll just pick it up there.
Okay, perfect.
I'm trying to see if these are replicas or not. It's a cool Liberty head dollar. Liberty Eagle head dollar.
Is this the same thing? Or is it different?
It's a little different.
Okay.
Dad just came back from auction. I think this might have been the auction that he and I were at together. United States of America. Oh, that's kind of cool looking. That's a different look to it there. 1798. I'm going to guess these are replicas, though.
Yeah, they look too clean.
Yeah, it says copy. So they're replicas right there. You see where it says copy right there.
Okay.
So that other one probably says copy, which they're still fun to have.
This one's a little bit of a different color.
Yeah, trial. Yeah, copy, yeah.
See how that one's more kind of rose gold colored? That one's cool.
Really neat. Probably another copy or trial. So they're, you know, I mean, if these were real, they'd be worth quite a bit of money. But they're kind of nice to still have if you have a little collection of something. That's an angel coin.
Yeah. There's no writing, just a picture of an angel. This one's huge. Look how big that one is.
And this has a certificate with it.
Yeah.
Certificate of gold certificate with that one. So this one might be worth something. Can you pull that one out of the case there? The ones with the certificates could be.
This one says, "Our guarantee to you." Okay, this one
Gold
says certificate of authenticity, gold certificate, and it has a number. And then it says 9999 complete collections, layered in 24 karat gold, weight 54 grams.
Okay, so it's layered in gold. So it's like a gold plated.
This is the Lincoln coin, it says. Used as a form of paper currency from 1863 to 1933, gold certificates enabled the bearer to redeem the corresponding amount in gold from U.S. government holdings. In 1933, President Franklin D. Roosevelt removed the U.S. currency from the gold standard to make it illegal for private citizens to own gold, thus rendering the use of gold certificates obsolete. This gold coin commemorates the 1922 $500 gold certificate depicting the President Abraham Lincoln.
Okay. Go ahead and keep that all together there.
Will do. Then look at this. This is actually an Elvis picture on a coin.
It's Elvis.
Yeah, but look at the back. It tells you what it is.
Colorized $50.
I've got a couple more too.
Somebody that loves Elvis is going to enjoy that.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Great.
All right.
Some random little coins.
This is 12.
Oh, cookie cutters.
Okay. This must have been the cookie cutter palette.
Yeah.
We literally just picked a random thing from under the... Look at that tin.
Under the table we did, yeah. That's an old tin.
Yes, it is.
Ooh.
With some trinkets. Little doggy in there.
Little dog. Some angels.
What's in here? Bell, maybe?
Could be a bell.
Here, let me get this. Yeah, it is a bell.
See anything written on it there? Looks a little older.
It does. I don't see. It does. Japan.
It says Japan on there. Yep. Okay, cool.
All right. Oh, while we're on this video, I did want to show you a little bit of a tour of the side of the auction you never get to see. All right. So I will kind of demonstrate here. So I'm going to walk down here. This is where our auction. This is where our auction area is. Sorry, I forget that when I walk away from the camera, you can't hear me. This is where Paul sits. So this is his station. So when he is doing the sold or whatever, he types it on this computer. This is where the camera faces straight down. Here's our very, very sophisticated box.
It's a beautiful box.
With our auction sale rules. And then these are the two lights here that we have. We actually have these for sale in the store, but these are what light up the auction. And here's where he keeps the ABC cards.
Whoever made those, thank you.
Yes. And then this is what he does basically when he's looking, when he's like, oh, what? I don't know what to do. This is what he's doing. He's turning around and looking at all the things. And we actually, it looks like a hot mess, but it's actually organized. So we have certain things on this shelf, certain things on this shelf. Like as you can see, well, for a while this was the brass shelf, but we got rid of a lot of brass. And then we've got some more things over here, you know, but that's basically it. He keeps some jewelry down real close within reach there. But that's the side of the auction that you never get to see. Also, just a reminder, we do have things on the online auction site. You can run over there and check that right now. And don't forget, the main reason I did this video was to offer you guys a discount of 20% if you use the promo code TRAVEL. Now, just a reminder, type the word TRAVEL in. You can't get the discount unless you type it in. So if you check out without the discount, wham wham boo hoo, you pay 20% more. So just make sure you do that. So thanks so much for joining us. We are traveling to Boyce, taking a bunch of our kids, taking our daughter to visit Boyce Bible College, which is where James is. So we'll probably get to see James momentarily there too. But both our daughters are going with us to visit Boyce Bible College, as well as two of our employees. And so that's really awesome too. They're also going to check out the college as well. So thanks so much for joining us. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.